Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y36 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Firstly, just open your device's keyboard and tap on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If it's not visible, select this gear instead. Tap on voice typing and click on the gray sweater next to use voice typing to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and tap on no visible microphone. If you never used it before, select while using the app in the pop-up, wait for Speak Now command and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wish to stop, click on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!